The importance of email marketing. In an age of social media and instant messaging, it may seem like email is a thing of the past. But despite the rise of newer communication channels, email remains a crucial tool for businesses of all sizes. In fact, email marketing is one of the most effective ways for businesses to reach and engage with customers. But what exactly is email marketing, and why is it so important? In this article, we'll take a closer look at the role of email in modern marketing and provide some tips for maximizing its potential. What is email marketing? At its most basic, email marketing is the use of email to promote products or services. This can include newsletters, promotional emails, and targeted campaigns. But it's not just about sending mass emails to a list of subscribers. Effective email marketing involves building relationships with customers and providing them with value. Why email marketing matters? There are several reasons why email marketing is such an important tool for businesses. First and foremost, it allows companies to reach a large and targeted audience. With billions of email users around the world, there's a good chance that your ideal customers are already checking their inboxes on a regular basis. In addition to reaching a large audience, email marketing is also an effective way to nurture leads and drive conversions. By providing subscribers with valuable content and targeted offers, businesses can move them further down the sales funnel and increase the likelihood of a purchase. Email marketing is also a cost-effective way to reach customers. While other forms of marketing, such as paid advertising, can be expensive, email marketing has a low cost per conversion. This means that businesses can get a good return on their investment by investing in email marketing. Finally, email marketing is an important source of data and insights for businesses. By analyzing metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversions, businesses can gain a better understanding of what works and what doesn't, and adjust their strategies accordingly. Creating an email marketing strategy. To get the most out of email marketing, it's important to have a well-defined strategy in place. This should include goals, target audience, content plan, and measurement and evaluation. The first step in creating an email marketing strategy is to define your goals. What do you want to achieve through your email efforts? Do you want to drive traffic to your website, increase brand awareness, or generate leads? Once you have a clear understanding of your goals, you can begin to develop a plan to achieve them. Next, you'll need to identify your target audience. Who are the people you want to reach with your email marketing efforts? Understanding the demographics, interests, and behaviors of your target audience will help you create content that resonates with them and drives engagement. Once you have a clear understanding of your goals and target audience, it's time to develop a content plan. This should include a mix of promotional and non-promotional content, as well as a plan for how often you will send emails. It's important to strike a balance between promoting your products or services and providing value to your subscribers. Finally, you'll need to establish a system for measuring and evaluating the success of your email marketing efforts. This may include tracking metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversions, as well as more complex data such as customer lifetime value. Maximizing the potential of email marketing. To get the most out of email marketing, it's important to understand the best practices and tactics for maximizing its potential.